Hello friends, welcome to the new session of Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy. Myself, Ms. Malvi Rajendra Bhavsar, M.Pharm in Pharmaceutics. Today we are going to start with new chapter of the Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy, that is chapter 13, Computer Applications in Hospital Pharmacy. Learning outcomes. After watching this, student will be able to learn about computer, applications of computer in hospital pharmacy, uses of computer and functions of computer in different department of hospital and clinical pharmacy. Introduction. Computers have played an important role in the development of hospital and clinical pharmacy and basic pharmacy research. In any type of job setting, the job of pharmacist involves first, maintaining current medication record, checking the records before dispensing the medication, advising the patient or prescriber on any significant problems or direction for use. Maintenance of record. At first, the database is collection of the fact. It may be as simple as a pile of a charts name. Example, that is Medline. It is a medical literature database stored in the computers. It can provide information by organization of a data to aid a decision. Thus, the computer works as database manager. The computer will produce the current information of patient, including patient's name, age, sex, room number, weight, height, etc. Allergies treating physician present, diagnosis, other diseases and special notes about the patient. But when the records are maintained on the computer, the pharmacist has to look up, add or delete various records and display the result. The records are stored on the storage device called as hard disk. So prescription file will include patient name file. In patient name file, each and every detail of patient is present, like age, weight, sex. Okay, then physician's name file. It includes the name of physician who is treating that patient, and detail each and every detail of physician. Drug reference file, it includes the drugs which are used as a reference or which are used for the treatment. Direction file include direction to the patient as well as direction regarding drug, and drug interaction files where there is presence of different drug interactions which will occur with that drug. Purchasing and inventory control. Drug inventory control is balance between not ordering too much, that is, avoid excessive capital investment in the inventory, and avoiding the out of stock situation. There are two types of systems used for the inventory control. First is periodic inventory control system, and second is perpetual system. In periodic inventory system, inventory levels are manually checked. The amount of inventory on hand is compared with the maximum and minimum stock maintained on the computers. Once a stock is entered, computer helps in the placing order to each supplier by determining usual strength or minimal order quantities for a supplier. Purchase order will generate after checking the supplier's terms and conditions. Whereas in perpetual system, computer maintains the running balance of all the drugs in stock. All drugs are entered into the database. When they received in the pharmacy, they are added to the initial stock so as to get current stock level of each drug. The quantity of all drug leaving the pharmacy is subtracted from the inventory balance. Then the utility of computers in purchase and inventory. That includes how the computers are used in the purchase and inventory. So they are used as first to detect the items which have reached the minimum level, to prepare the list of items to be purchased and their quantities. Third, to prepare the purchase order for the vendors and avoid duplicate order. Fourth, to detect infrequently purchased item for a possible return or elimination from the pharmacist's drug supply. Fifth, to produce periodic summary and purchasing and inventory control statistics. Medication monitoring. So computer will have mainly two applications, that is pharmacokinetics and non-pharmacokinetics. So pharmacokinetic applications include estimation of pharmacokinetic parameters in individual. Pharmacokinetic parameter includes statistical calculations and graphical interpretation. It also needs the frequent blood samples to be collected by using computer programs like NonLink, The pharmacokinetic parameters can be predicted very easily. Depending on these parameters, further dosing pattern may be determined so as to keep the drug level in the therapeutic range. Thus, this type of application has been widely used for the drugs like theophylline, aminoglycosides, antibiotics, phenytoin, digoxin. The parameters commonly determined include rate of excretion, volume of distribution, clearance, etc. By using this pharmacokinetic stimulation, drug dose, time of administration can be predicted by the computers. Then comes non-pharmacokinetic applications. It includes drug-drug, drug laboratory, drug allergy and drug disease interaction detection. It also involves duration of adverse drug reaction. For the drug interaction screening, computer programs like MEDI4, that is monitoring and evaluation of drug interaction by pharmacy oriented reporting, and PAD, that is pharmacy automated drug interaction screening, are made. Thus, using computers can enhance the standard of pharmacist clinical service. And drug information retrieval and storage. A complete search of drug information is to satisfy the queries and for pharmacology, drug interaction, adverse drug reaction, toxicology, etc. using computers. In 1964, National Library of Medicine created computerized medical information retrieval system, MEDLAR, that is Medical Literature Analysis and Retrieval System. In 1971, they developed a fast working system like Medlines. The computerized information retrieval has the following advantages over manual search. It is a time saving and pleasant. It is a more through the timely than manual search. To operate the information retrieval system, the equipment needed include microcomputer, a printer, a telephone line and a modem. For the information retrieval, the choice of database is also very important. Database may be bibliography database, journal information and textbook material. Database are of medicines like Medline or a pharmacy-oriented like International Pharmaceutical Abstract may be choosing some of the online database of the medical and pharmaceutical literature is shown in table 15.1. Table include database, the produced by and the data. The search should be approached in the systemic manner. The following steps are commonly undertaken. Before searching any computerized information retrieval database, one should carefully plan in order to obtain the best result at the least cost. The next step is to select the proper search term, example Medline, a directory known as a medical subjects heading. The term can be entered separately or be combined in the various ways by using logical operators like and or etc. Enter the search statement and run the search to print the result of the search. On completion, terminate with the stop command. Thank you, friends. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you very much. See you in the next session. Thank you.